Hi, everyone. Dear children, I am Zahrul Sir from Discipline Institute, Kandy. Today I am going to teach you how to represent the sample space on the tree diagram. The previous videos we studied how to represent the sample space on the grid. Today I am going to teach you how to represent the sample space in the probability on tree diagram. Okay. The sample space means in an experiment whatever the results can be occurred, okay, is known as what? Sample space. Example, there are 3 red pebbles and 2 black pebbles in a box, right? We are going to take a pebble in twice. Then in this all the results in this experiment, all the results which can be occurred representing, we are calling that what? Sample space. All the results in an experiment is sample space. The sample space we are going to today represent on the tree diagram. Then in this first one, taking a pebble twice with replacing. Okay, another experiment comes, taking a pebble with replacing means how? A pebble is taken out and put it back and again it is taken out, right? Without replacement means a pebble is taken out and it is not put back, right? Again another pebble is taken out. Now let's consider to the with replacing. With replacing, 2 pebbles are taken out means in that first row and second row are like these 2 columns. We have to separate into 2 columns. Then first row also what are the results? Red and black. In this same as the grid, we no need to write red 1, red 2, red 3, just red and black is enough, right? So here 2 branches comes like this. Apart from that, there is the second row also. Therefore from this red, this is first time red and second time red and second time black. With the first time black, again second time red, second time black. But however, if there are 2 rows, definitely it comes first row, second row, and this is the name itself, tree diagram, right? So trees branches, okay, it should be separated like this. Example, now third row also there means here also red black, here also red black, here also red black, here also red black. If there is a fourth row also red black, red black, red black, like that. Okay, because some children are asking why only red and black once no there, why we are repeating it 4 times here? Because okay, second row means we no need to think about the 4 times or anything else. Okay, from this itself it will be repeated as the trees branches. Then probabilities we have to write on the branches. Okay, here 3 and 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, because of the with replacing, same number is repeated. Right, this is the sample space of the tree diagram under with replacing. Now let's consider without replacing. Without replacing. However, in that also 2 times we are going to take the pebbles, right? So first row and the second row is there. In that also first row red and black, second row also red black, red black. When I am going to take the first time, there are 3 red was there, 2 black was there, so no issues. Right? But when I am going to take in the second time, there are 3 reds and 2 blacks. If I take the red first, I am not put it back, therefore how many reds are there? 2. How many blacks are there? 2, it is not changed. So altogether 2 and 2, 4. Same as that, Supposing first row, if I took the black pebble, I am not put it back, right? I am not putting it back. Therefore, red is not changed. There are 3 reds. How many blacks will remain? 1. So 3 and 1 is altogether 4. Then with replacing, this is the tree diagram. No worries. Same amounts are repeated. But without replacing, we have to think in this. We have to logically, we have to argue, and we should take like this. But there is a short method, right? Now logically only I taught you there is short method in without replacing in tree diagram, right? Here see top and bottom one by one you have to subtract. From the top 1 subtractively, then it's 2. From the bottom you have to subtract 1. Okay, then from 2 if you subtract 1 means it's 1. Middle numbers are not changed. Middle number here black 2 were there, so black 2 itself. Red 3 were there, red 3 itself. I think you well understood. Okay, then especially with replacing no issues, but without replacing in tree diagram most of the students are getting stuck. Okay, if you also having the same problem, okay, get this shortcut what? Okay, without replacing top and bottom 1 by 1 we have to subtract, right? In every tree diagram question without replacing is there. Okay, you have to do that only, right? Then thank you, right? I'm Zahrul Sir from the Siplan Institute at El Cardo building from Kandy, right? Then I go on.